guys, just Norris here today with Caged Muscle Subs. Today I'm going to take you through my cardio exercise. We're going to be doing some dead mills here, and I'll explain what I'm doing as I go. This is going to be a high intensity interval training kind of cardio. So it'll be really quick, high intensity sets with some minimal rest. And I usually start, just to get warmed up, I just start by walking, pushing the belt, so you want to leave this off. So I'll just start by pushing. I'll do a minute forward, and I'll do a minute reverse. So now that you've done a minute on each side, what we're going to be doing is sets of 15-second sprints with 45 seconds rest. Typically, I'll do 6 to 8 sets, and you guys will have to play it by how you feel. If you're absolutely dying, you might need to extend your break a little bit. I wouldn't go over 2-minute break in between, and as far as sprints go, you don't need to do more than 20 seconds. As a powerlifter, I'm always training for that fast twitch muscle, trying to be explosive, powerful. As a strength athlete, that's your goal, that's what you want to do. All right, so again, 15 seconds here, and 45 seconds rest. Now, in between these short breaks, really try to breathe. Try to get your oxygen back. Focus on getting deep breaths. Slowly breathing, that'll help a little bit. All right, guys. So that was the workout. As you can see, pretty out of breath, sweating, just completely wasted. And you guys are gonna feel that. It's gonna suck. Yeah, that's it, guys.